I've had more than one YouTube channel and have been making content for years. But guess what? I am done working to get monetized. Working my little fingers to the bone, only to find that I have no money for lovely cheese. Did somebody say cheese? I love cheese. When I started, I had no idea what I was doing and wasted lots of time cranking out videos. Lots of video, only to have myself burnt out and feeling like a rat on a wheel. I care about you, and I don't want you to suffer the same fate as me. Poor little
Told
me.
you are a loser.
Hey, comment section, who asked you?
No one likes you, and your breath smells like cheese.
Just shut your big, ugly, revolting. Wait, what am I doing? Don't be a fool and drool. Shut up, I won't listen to you. I know I can do it with your help. Let me tell you what I did to set up this channel so I can make money from day one. And you can do it too. Now sit down, shut up, and please watch to the end. I need you to watch until the end. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey there, fellow creators on the rise. I want to show you how you can kickstart your YouTube journey with a solid plan. I'm here to share my experiences as I navigate setting up a successful channel with a simple plan to make money from day one. Let's explore the ins and outs of prepping for YouTube success together. Let's be besties. Let me entertain you. Why did the cheese refuse to be sliced? Because it had greater plans. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. Knock knock. Who's there? Cheese. Cheese who? Cheese a cute little joke. Cheese that's so cheesy. If this sounds good to you, stick around as I show you my strategy for monetizing this channel before I get monetized. But before we dive into the strategies, let's address a common pitfall many new YouTubers face.
Hey, Herbert, you will never make money. You are a loser and your content sucks.
I don't need your negativity, you stupid jerk. You have got a weird head. Many of these silly blokes jump into creating content without realizing that certain niches, man, I hate that word, pay more than others. As a result, they end up working for free for years, struggling to meet the requirements for monetization. And this was me, and I'm sick of it. I told myself no more. In case you didn't know, could I really be the first to tell you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months to get paid for the ads that play on your videos? Sweet. If I say sweet like that, does this mean I'm old? Am I showing my age? Do you remember calling cool dudes a Mac Daddy in the late 90s? Me slip showing. Wait, I guess I should get back to the video. Cheese my knees. After starting, many creators find themselves on a hamster wheel. They push out content relentlessly or risk getting lost in the algorithm. However, without a focused approach, many people burn out before they achieve their dreams of success here on YouTube. I love you too much to let that happen. Now I want you to listen up. Before you get started uploading video, you need to be researching your niche. I know, mind blowing. You need to do me and yourself a favour by spending a little time. Find out if the subjects that you would want to cover with your channel are being searched for. Crazy, right? Sounds like a lot of work. Yeah. Stop saying that. You need to do this. Believe me, I know what a pain in the if you skip. Now, I'll make this a whole lot easier because trust me, I know you don't want to do this research thing. Download this handy dandy thing called vidIQ or TubeBuddy, but I like vidIQ better. Link is in the description and it's free to use. Just type in your video's keywords to find out if anyone is searching for content that you want to make. If no one is searching for the thing you want to do, then you don't want to do it. I need a coffee break and you don't waste your time. Then use it to help you find something that has high search volume and low competition. Cool, right? So worth it. You're welcome. So you can brand yourself from the start. See the shining light. Now let's talk about one of the most important building blocks of a personal brand or channel, and that is building an email list. It's one of the most important things to have in place in order to have a successful YouTube channel. It is so useful to generate consistent income and nurture loyal fans. So what exactly is an email list? An email list is a collection of email addresses from individuals or nice animals who have voluntarily subscribed to receive updates, promotions and content from you. It's your direct line of communication with your audience. Sharing is caring, free from the whims of social media algorithms. Think of it as an insurance plan in case anything ever happens to your account. With YouTube, you do not own your audience. Even if someone subscribes to your channel, there is no guarantee that your next video will ever be suggested to your subscribers. Who wants to be at the mercy of an algorithm making money? I know not me. And I know that experienced creators on YouTube do not make content without an email marketing strategy in place.
Sounds more like a recipe for disaster.
Not you again. Who invited your input? Does this coat make me look fat? So maybe they know something that we should pay attention to too. Now, you may be thinking that this sounds completely overwhelming, but it totally doesn't have to be. But how do you get people to subscribe to your email list? You offer them a lead magnet. What the heck is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a valuable piece of content or an incentive that you offer in exchange for someone's email address. It's like giving a little gift to your audience to thank them for joining your community. Why, you're welcome. I've got kids. Millions of kids. I'm not stupid. I bet you are wondering what my freebie is, aren't you? Oh, you're a cheeky little rascal. Well, because we are so close and because you mean so much to me, I have a super duper scooper sweet treat that can't be beat. I bet you didn't know I was a poet, did you? But it's a surprise. Okay, maybe not, but I'm going to tell you. But you can't tell anyone. It's a secret. It's a... Oh, I just can't say it's a... Turkey. Out. Come on, you idiots. YouTube branding kit. That sounds bright and shiny. You know you need it. Download it, all the cool kids are doing it. Go to the description and click the first link to get this branding kit. It consists of several Canva templates that you can customize, saving you time. I worked so hard to make you ungrateful little. And if you don't get them, maybe we can't be friends anymore. And as a wise one once said, the gummy bears have been in my pocket, so they are nice and squishy. Who else remembers that? Eat all your dinner.
Good luck getting anyone to notice you in a sea of content.
Shut up, you. Oh yeah, watch my next video too.